Welcome to the STAR Conference 2023, which is a gathering that stands as a testament to resilience, innovation, and collaborative spirit that defines science, technology, and resource as a network. As we convene here today, ladies and gentlemen, we embark on a journey that traces its origin back to a visionary partnership that was formed by SOPAC and the IOC UNESCO, culminating in the birthing of STAR in 1984. Most of those who are presently in the room today were probably not born then when STAR was birthed in 1984. So we've had a very rich heritage and a rich history that we gather the strength of these network from. For nearly 3 decades, STAR convened annually, serving as a nexus for scientific advancement and collaboration within the Pacific. The convergence of minds and ideas and innovations during these meetings not only animated scientific alliances, but also showcased invaluable work, techniques, and instrumentations. It became a cornerstone in addressing the developing challenges faced throughout the Pacific region. However, that passage of time saw a hiatus in STAR's gatherings. The suspension in 2010 and the subsequent absence of annual meetings since 2013 posed a challenge and left a void, a vibrant exchange of ideas and solution finding. Yet the belief in the significance of these organizations had remained. In April 2015, during a regional geoscience steering group meeting, the future of STAR became a focal point of discussion, and this pivotal moment led to the realization of the network that you are now part of today. The inaugural meeting in Nadi, held on the 6th to the 8th of 2016, marked the resurgence of STAR. Subsequent meetings in 2017, 2018, 19, and 21, which was conducted virtually due to COVID, reaffirmed everybody's commitment to revitalizing and reinvigorating the STAR network. We stand united in our agreement to robustly endorse the continuation of STAR. Its immense value in rekindling scientific alliances and exhibiting adaptable techniques and instrumentation to address the Pacific's development issues cannot be overstated today. Moreover, we aim to explore avenues that enable STAR to achieve greater autonomy, especially concerning administrative and financial matters. To ensure its sustainable future, ownership by the Pacific Islands became imperative. Therefore, Dr. Tanga, then the Director of Mineral Resources here in Fiji and now my permanent secretary at the Ministry of Lands and Mineral Resources, was elected to chair the STAR network and was also then entrusted with the task of steering us towards independence and with a renewed vigor. This year, the STAR Conference, generously sponsored by Fiji, convenes under the overarching theme of the risks to the Pacific region from development of infrastructure. It's a timely and critical focus as the Pacific undergoes rapid infrastructural growth. We must collectively address the potential risks and challenges that accompany this development, from environmental impact to socio-economic implications. Contained within the booklet lies a wealth of abstract representing the cutting-edge research and innovative ideas that will unfold during the 3 days of this conference here at the Holiday Inn in Suva. Additionally, as I understand, There will be field trips to selected areas, and it promises hands-on experience and deeper insight into the subjects we are discussing here today and for the next few days. The meticulous planning by the STAR Steering Committee, whose names have been announced from up here this morning, and again we thank them for this great organization, in dedicating to crafting a program for the next few days, the field trip that we'll hope will enrich your professional endeavors and inspire collaborations long after this conference concludes. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to Fiji for their unwavering support in making this conference event possible. As we embark on this collective journey, let us reaffirm our commitment to active engagement, shared learning, and collaborative efforts. Let us ensure that the STAR model continues to flourish here in the Pacific, just as it does throughout other regions, to drive the progress that is needed, innovate young minds and young scientists and technologians, and ensure its contribution to sustainable development. I want again to thank you all for gracing this occasion here with us here in Fiji, and for your presence, our friends who are here from overseas. I extend my best wishes for a productive, enlightening, and impactful conference in the next 3 days here at Holiday Inn, and I wish you all the very best. Vinagavali.